okay, we just do question number 1 and 2, which is the, okay. Okay, can you? Thank you. Okay, so I'll read questions. That's okay. Note, give all your probability answers as decimals. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay, use the following information to answer the next 3 questions. Human blood can be classified into one of our basic types, O, A, B, and AB. The proportion of the people in the population of the United States for each of these blood types is summarized in that table. So the first question is, the blood types and their proportions given in the table above define a probability distribution. I think that is true because I added them up, and they added to 1.
One of your puppies is losing lots of teeth.
Randy.
Okay, do you guys agree that that's true? Oh, Cassie's talking.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yeah, I do too. Sorry, got a little distracted there.
All right. Okay, question number 4. What is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood to 2 decimals? What is the probability? P times X has O blood type, so it's 0.045. So wouldn't it be 0.045?
Wait, so could you do that math one more time for me again?
Well, it says, what is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood? Round points. Wouldn't it be 0.45?
The proportion of people in the population of the United States with each of these blood types. Well, that makes sense because it is 0.45.
Because they add up to 100, that would be the...
Yeah, this has to do to decimal places, so I'm guessing it's 0.5.
That would make sense.
And what is the probability that a randomly selected person will not have O type? So that's, you go 1 minus,
Minus 0.45.
so 0.55
That makes sense.
is what I'm guessing.
Yeah, that makes sense to me.
Yeah, because you add them to...
So when you say that something is not the probability, you go 1 minus the probability.
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay. Caroline Willis at her conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. Tangle, one of the dogs, demonstrates identification of the specimen. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up in a random order. 6 were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder patient. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the cancer patient?
So they have a 1 in 7 chance. So would that be 1 divided by 7?
Yes, but it wants a decimal.
So it's 0.14, right?
But it's just the 3, so 0.142.
Oh, it says to go 3? Yeah, 3 decimal. Perfect. Go team.
All right. In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? This provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. There is little evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer.
Is it B?
They didn't even detect it half of the time, so
Yeah, so it was less than half. I think that's very
So I agree that it would.
strong.
I agree that it would be B.
little evidence.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Use the following information to answer the next three questions. M&Ms are small chocolate candies, really. The M&Ms website indicated that in the United States, the distribution of the colors in a bag of plain M&Ms is given in the following table. Nope. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing out a red colored candy?
0.13.
Yeah.
0.13.
And then green. Oh, we have to figure that one out.
What is the probability that a random is green? So you would have to add up the and subtract it by 1.
14.
So it's 1 minus 0.84.
1 minus 0.84.
Yeah, which is 6.16.
Okay.
But somebody might want to double check my math just in case.
I am just doing it on my calculator, and that's right.
Okay.
Okay. 0.16.
Mm-hmm.
And then, what is the probability that a readily selected candy is not green? So it's 1.
0.84.
No, because
Isn't that like
it's 0.84. Yeah, because
Yeah, because everything else was added up to 0.84.
yeah.
Right?
Yes.
I feel like this is too simple and that I'm getting all of this wrong.
I feel like that too. Because I'm not good at this stuff.
Me either.
Okay. Maybe it's getting harder. You know what? I feel like the homework quiz are a ton harder than these.
Really?
Do you feel like that? The quiz you take on your own?
Sometimes I feel like it's a lot harder for me to focus and see it than these because I think these are more visual,
Okay.
which helps, but I don't know.
Okay. The ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the Western United States were taken from okay.com. The following calculated. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number?
Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number? So we just have to line it up in order from.
Well, we have to, the median is 24. So isn't that half?
The median, oh yeah, you're right. Okay. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number? 24. Yes, that makes sense.
Because that's the median, the middle, right?
Yes, half of the, yes.
Is the mean the mid? No, the median is the middle and the mean
Yeah, that's the average.
mean is the average. Okay.
do we have to do decimal on that, or can we just put in the number?
It doesn't say decimal.
And the median itself
Okay.
is just 24, so I wouldn't think there would be a decimal with it.
That seems too easy.
I know. I was second guess myself on those kind of questions.
Hey, you guys keep going. I'm going to add these up real quick
Mm-hmm.
and see what I get, okay?
Okay. Based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of students scored above number.
So 22, Q1.
Yes. That makes sense.
Wait a minute. What was that?
22 is the answer for number 12, I think.
Based on information on the table of the top 25% of students scored above what number? That would be Q2, right?
Q1, right? Because it's the first 25%.
Mhm.
There isn't a Q2 because it goes 25, 50, 75, 100.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability?
Okay. It would be the is high, then the probability is positive. If probability is low, then the probability is negative. Probabilities cannot be negative.
Yeah.
Mhm.
All right.
I just
We'll
looked
turn this in and
perfect.
I'll turn it in and see what we get.
Okay. Hold our breath.
Right? Let's see. We got 3. We want, okay. So far, oh, what? We got the bladder question wrong.
What?
Yeah, apparently this provides strong evidence. I wonder if there's a
What?
specific, maybe we missed something in our homework where there's like a percentage where it's like this is strong evidence. Because I don't feel like below half is strong evidence. And we also missed question 12.
Question 12.
I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna open up another quiz so we can take it again.
That's about the top 25%.
Really? And it's not 22.
No, because it says the top 25%, which would be actually 75%.
Oh, so that would be 3.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Oh. So good.
okay, wait, let me get in there. I want to change these.
Are those the only 2 we missed?
Yes. So if you want to go in there and change those.
I'm going to go ahead and submit mine just to see if those 2 are correct, okay?
That's a good idea.
He also complained about what mutual.
How's that bladder one? How's a strong evidence?
I have no idea. I don't get that.
Okay, that is right. With the correction.
Okay.
So question number 12 is 27.
Question number 12 is 27.
Yeah, because it says the top 25%, not the first 25%. That makes sense?
Yes, that makes so much more sense.
Yeah.
And then I have no idea about the other one.
Which other one?
I have no idea why that would be strong evidence.
I think we must have missed something in the homework.
In a combined
Maybe.
trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the kennel 22 times. It is very unlikely that a dog would do this well by random chance alone. Yeah, I don't think that's good. That's less than half.
That doesn't make sense.
But so for us should have been, it is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone.
Yeah.
That should be.
Yeah.
It's like they told us and it was like, oh.
Yeah.
We still got it wrong. That's okay.
Guys, submit your.
I'm just re-entering mine for my second turn in.
Okay, Alexis, did you get yours?
Yes, I'm good.
Not even looked at lesson 5.
I have, and it's kind of hard.
Really?
Gosh.
Yeah. I did that individual quiz instead of this other one accidentally. So I got a glimpse of what we're doing, and it's a little bit harder,
Oh no.
but
So
I know
did
it's gonna take a little bit longer.
for question 12, you said you got 27 then? Right, because it was Q3?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
So
Just trying.
I better start looking, huh?
Yeah, so we can prepare for tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Well, I like the fact that we can take it twice. I mean, it's really helpful. Well, we're doing better than what we expected, so
So far.
I know.
Doesn't
It's
go
like
on.
every week it's like a ticking time bomb to where it's gonna be impossible to do.
I know. I agree. How many are you taking?
What was that?
How many other classes are you taking?
I'm only taking 2 classes right now. I'm taking my family and communities class, and that one's hard. It's so interactive. So
I'm taking family theory.
Community and relationships one.
yeah, that one.
What level is that? 400?
It's 4:30.
Okay. I haven't taken
I
that
took
one.
that last semester. It's a lot of work.
It's so much work. I feel like it's ridiculous, like insane
Yeah.
amounts. That's why I'm taking it this semester with just this class because like I can't do this in a normal semester workload.
Right now, I'm taking the family practicum, and that class is killing me.
Really?
Oh, it's awful. You just have so much.
Is that for almost done with your degree then, Alexis? Are you almost done then?
You're out.
You what?
Alexis is having some freezing problems, so I think we're kind of bleeping in and out for her.
I can hear you.
Okay. I asked if you're almost done with your degree then.
Therapist. I'm also doing my internship, and so full load of like credits. So I'm dying.
You know, did you see that new email where you don't have to take the 60-hour internship? You
Yes.
can go take like
A seminar.
a seminar.
I freaked out. I told my husband, I was like, we're doing that. Like, I will drive down to Idaho. I'm gonna do that because I am not doing an internship in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, me too. I will have to fly somewhere,
Dang.
but Alexis is doing the whole internship thing. Ugh.
And the practicum?
Mm.
It's a
Yeah.
lot. Well, we will plan on meeting tomorrow at 2:30.
Okay.
And I will post this just in 1 minute. So,
Thank you.
no problem, guys. Thanks for being such a great team.
Bye.
See ya.